Breaking news, there seems to be trouble in paradise. Kit and Em have been caught dancing in traffic and wreaking havoc. We sent our most important paparazzo to the scene to get the latest scoop.
Oh, okay, bye Kit Major, we love you.
1, 2, 3, wow!
Alright, so rules of the game. We got this $20 digital camera literally from Walgreens, and we have 5 shots exactly for each look, just to really like get us in the feels of what it would be like to be a paparazzo. We made our own t-shirts. Mine right now says I'm bitter, because you know, my song I'm Bitter is gonna be out on April 28th, which it'll be out by the time you see this, so it will be. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so you guys should stream it. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So for this first shot, we want it to be one of those like paparazzi pictures where you're on a phone having a private conversation and then they come and interrupt you. And we're doing that just like in an alleyway because, you know, the stars think that they're being secretive and think that they're being sly and having a private conversation in public, but she gets caught and she's devastated. Emma, tell us about your breakup. Tell us about your breakup. Why can't you guys
Emma, tell us about your breakup. Tell us about Justin. Tell us about Justin.
This isn't your business.
Are you and Justin on the rit?
No cameras. No cameras. Hold for plane. Hold for plane. Holding for the plane. And the car. Okay, so for this next shot, I'm gonna be putting groceries away for a little stars. They're just like us moment.
They're just like us.
I have sunglasses on. I've got my I'm Bitter shirt, and then paired it with a skirt. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't. This little guy's going kaput right now. He's having a moment. Pour one out. It's a $20 camcorder. We have video. Yay! We have video.
Kit Major, is it true that you have an EP coming out?
Yes. Anyway. You guys are gonna be famous. For this last shot, we had to go to the mecca of all meccas, in which every celebrity in the early 2000s met with their manager and agent, and where Zac Efron used to get his coffee exclusively. Coffee Bean! Coffee Bean! A place in which we will not actually drink the coffee, because apparently it comes from a powder. I used to like Coffee Bean strictly because when you first move to LA, you think that's what you're supposed to do. It's okay. You don't have to like Coffee Bean. You don't have to drink it. It's kind of shite. Let's do it. Anyway, so we're gonna shoot Kit's photo first, and she's gonna come out of Coffee Bean as if I'm catching her. As if the paparazzo's catching her.
Kit Major's in here. She just ordered at Coffee Bean. I'm gonna catch her in the act. I'm gonna catch her. Kit Major!
Oh, sorry, I gotta go.
What's your favorite order from Coffee Bean?
Oh, I gotta go.
Oh, okay. Bye, Kit Major. We love you.
Oh my god, these are so good. Oh my god. We're a creepy little, sneaky little fly on the wall. Okay, let's go find you a spot to sit. All right, it's my turn now. So we got an OK magazine, because that is like the era that we're in. All right, so I have the Frappuccino and the magazine, and I'm just gonna be relaxing, you know?
Emma Love. What's it like being in the new action movie? What's it like being with Robert Pattinson? Emma Love.
It's a dream come true.
Emma, what drink are you drinking?
Can't you just leave me alone? Oh, it's so good. Alone on the bench. The posture is horrible. It's perfect. She's like, Emma, straighten your back. I'm like, this is how I would be sitting. She's right. That's a wrap. Thanks for hanging out with us. The paparazzo's out. I mean, God. They find us everywhere. It's so annoying. We just can't escape them. We're so famous.